how do you use ChatGPT to write better Amazon listings, better bullets, higher converting listings, or even on your Shopify website? So that's the answer I'll be going over today. My name is Michael Jordan. I'm a partner and head of the Amazon department over at For Media Marketing, where we have over 200 clients that we help grow and scale their brands on and off Amazon. So let's get into it. ChatGPT is actually a super powerful and really easy platform to use, right? I'm just on their free version right now. Anybody can do it. And all you want to do, you want to create a new thread. So hit new chat. Down here, you're going to prompt it. You're going to say, I want to feed you information about a brand and a product so you can write content for it. What information do I need? It's going to tell you what information it needs, but I can go ahead and tell you that you need to input the name of the brand and the product, the purpose, intended audience of the product, any unique features, target market, brand tone of voice, your ideal customer demographics, like their age, their ethnicity, where they live, what they do for fun, right? Any of your brand guidelines do talk about this, don't talk about that, right? You can tell ChatGPT to do that. And the more information you feed it, the smarter it gets. And you want to keep all of this in one single thread, right? So don't start several different threads every time you go to write like an Amazon listing or title or something, because it has to start fresh, right? So keep it all in one thread. Add as much information as you possibly can, and it just gets smarter and smarter. So if you tell it, hey, write me an Amazon listing, 5 bullets and a 200 character title, and it spits out something you don't like, and you say, oh, actually, I don't like that you mentioned that. Can you rewrite this? And then you come back a week later and you do it for another one of your products, it's going to remember that thing that you didn't like, and it's not going to repeat that same mistake. All right, so really critical. And I want to emphasize, keep everything in one thread, feed it as much information as possible, and then you can pretty much ask it anything. So you can see for this example brand, I came in here, this is the prompt that I use. So you can pause the video right now, add this exact prompt word for word, or just anything like it. Say, hey, I'm going to feed you information about a brand and a product because I want you to write content for it for an Amazon listing or for my Shopify listing, right? And then it came through here and it said, great, with this information, I can help you craft some content. It gave me like a summary of it. I read through it. There wasn't anything that I didn't like. If there was, I could have told it next. Hey, I actually don't like this, or don't include that, etc. Remember. And then I said, do you know what a fab statement is? Fab statements are a marketing style of writing. It's feature, advantage, benefit. I said, yep, I do. And then I had it write some fab statements for this product for me. So for example, increase collagen production. That's a feature. What's an advantage? The feature is boost collagen production in the body. Advantage, supports skin elasticity, blah, blah, blah. Benefit, helps maintain a youthful appearance, etc. So you can see I'm just like training the AI algorithm right now about the brand, how to write about it, the tone of voice. You can say, I actually don't like that. It's too formal. Write it in a more friendly or playful tone of voice, or replace the word, collagen with vegan collagen anywhere it's at, etc. And then anytime you need anything, after you feed it all of this information, you can come to this same thread. You can say, hey, I need, so just for example here, I said, give me a catchy phrase I can put on a stylistic image of this product. It should be short, and it's going to go on an image for their Amazon listing. Unlock your beauty naturally. I actually wanted more than one, so I said, give me a list of 5, and it spit out 5 separate ones. So I really like some of these. I kind of like this. So I said, I put in the Amazon image, glow up with delicious vegan collagen, right? So you can see how traditionally you would have to like sit there and twiddle your thumbs, go Google, look at other listings. But now you can just go to ChatGPT and ask it any question, and then a split second, it's going to give you some ideas. All right. And then just for another example, I say, give me an Amazon title, 200 characters, and it spit out a perfect Amazon title for me. So get creative, feed it as much information as possible. But that's exactly how I am using ChatGPT, and you can use ChatGPT to improve and quicken and make much more efficient your content and copy that you write for your Amazon listings or your Shopify listings.